Good day. We are from St. Pius Foundation. Thank you for being here today. We are going to quickly talk about the coronavirus issue, and please pay attention. I would like to advise everybody not to panic. Avoid unnecessary panic. Avoid unnecessary fake news. Avoid believing fake news. Only listen to news from verifiable authority. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus is a beta virus like MERS virus and SARS virus. It is transmitted by air droplet. That is to say, when somebody coughs or sneezes, when the cough secretion drops on surface, drops on things, drops on bed, and drops on wall, and you touch it, and you use your hand to touch your mouth and other part of the body, it can be contacted. It can be contacted from person to person and from animal to person. So that is how it's contacted. That's why you see people wearing masks, where it can be contacted through the air. What are the common features? The common features of coronavirus, the common clinical features, signs and symptoms are fever, cough. In a week's time, begin to have difficulty in breathing. And they have what we call general malaise, and the person is not feeling fine. The solution to coronavirus is not fear. Remember during the Ebola episode, most people died not because of Ebola, because of listening to fake news, using salt. Do not panic unnecessarily. Just practice the safety precaution. Rest assured, coronavirus will not visit your family. So when you have any of these symptoms, you must visit the nearest health facility for reassessment. However, symptoms don't mean you have it, but you must visit the nearest health facility for reassessment. What are the features? What are the features? We just mentioned it: fever, cough, catarrh, difficulty in breathing. Now, what can we do to prevent this disease? Please listen carefully. We have Lassa fever, which is osteoarthritis. This safety precaution can also help you in terms of Lassa fever. So, what can we do to prevent coronavirus? One of the first things you must do, talk about coronavirus. Once, you must wash your hands at all times. If there's no soap and water, you must use hand sanitizer at all times. Always try and keep social distance, which is like 6 feet 2 meters for any infected person. When you see person cough or sneeze, please maintain your distance. Always wash your hands. This is not the time to touch animals with bare hands. Don't forget they got their origin for cats and other seafoods. You must wash your hands at all times. You must ensure that when you go out, you not touch surfaces, because the air droplets from them can contaminate the surface and you can be infected. Do not touch surface anyhow. Wash your hands at all times, and avoid that bad practice of using your unwashed hand to touch your nose, your ear, and all parts of your body, including eye. Always wash your hands. In areas where they are not comfortable, wear your face mask. Avoid overcrowded area nowadays. Avoid it, because it can be contacted through the air. Avoid unnecessary panic. This is not the time for you to panic, but this is the time to do safety precaution. Get hand sanitizer. When you practice this safety precaution, be rest assured that coronavirus will not visit your family. It is not your portion. Avoid unnecessary panic. Avoid fake news. Once again, wash your hands at all times. Use hand sanitizer. Use face mask when necessary. Keep safe distance from any person who suspect to have coronavirus at least 6 feet, which is 2 meters away. You must ensure you do not touch your ear, your nose with unwashed hands. You must ensure you use your face mask when necessary, and you must avoid eating food that are not properly boiled. Talking about Lassa fever, but generally, let's focus on coronavirus. Let's repeat it again: wash your hands at all times. Use hand sanitizer. Avoid handshake anyhow nowadays. Maintain a social distance like 6 feet or 2 meters from any person infected. Always cover your mouth and nose when sneezing with tissue, and discard it in a safe place. When stay at home. When you practice all the safety precautions, not unnecessary panic, I assure you, Coronavirus will not visit your home. You are safe. You are safe. Be safety conscious, and your family will be free from coronavirus. Panicking will not make you be free. But what will set you free is practicing safety precaution. Thank you from St. Pius Foundation. We thank you for listening to St. Pius Foundation. For details of our video, you can watch it on YouTube. You are protected. Coronavirus is not your portion as far as you practice safety precaution, not panicking. Thank you.